we going today?
Magic Kingdom.
No, we're going to Animal Kingdom.
Animal.
You excited? You gonna see a lot of animals.
I'm gonna get bubbles in here.
You gonna get bubbles in there? All right. Say bye to the people. What are you guys expecting? Paulette,
want to see?
what do you want to see?
I'm excited to go to the safari.
Safari.
Yeah.
A lion.
Lion? Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is where we at. Guys, what is it? Joffrey's? Priya. Cinnamon roll. We should got recording food because we're hungry.
We be hungry.
Paulette, let me see your donut. Fish donut. Good? Priya is eating over there too. We're all eating. We're just bad at recording food. I'm sorry. Monkey Mocha Madness. Nice. Mommy, what you got?
Pumpkin patch latte.
Nice. You good?
Okay. I'm going to give you a cool book like this, and at the front of your new book is our treasure map. This shows you all the stickers you can get today until 4:30.
Pay attention,
What
Paulette.
time do they close at? 4:30. She's like, yeah, they do close.
She's like, I hear what you're saying.
Alright, we're going to earn our very first badge. This is our secret handshake. I need you to put your fingers up and point at this guy. Oh yeah, you want to give your grown-up your number one? There we go. Alright, good job. Now put your thumbs out like this. Good job. Put them together. And say, the wilderness. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Export.
We're going to have to do a new one.
Good job. Now go like this. And say, God, God. Good job. Hi. What does a lion say? Good job. Yay. You just earned your very first sticker. Isn't that so cool? like to draw. Maybe when you go home, you can go draw a picture of your favorite animal, okay? Bye, Miss Leslie. You have a great rest of your day, okay? Bye, guys. Have a great Yeah, so maybe you can pick your favorite animal and see if there's like dinosaurs.
Chickens is actually usually kind of
So if you open up your book to pages 32 and 33, I have 2 stickers here for you.
What page do we
Yeah, pick it up, I guess.
I have.
It's okay for her to pick up
Paula, don't touch him.
Yeah, your Johnny's just sorting out her property.
this thing.
They go in your book.
That's the
There we go. Take the book to the lady and say thank you.
brush.
Two stickers. Say thank you very much.
We'll get to the next one and you can do that.
How many?
Dinosaurs today? What dinosaur did you see over there? What did we tell you was a dinosaur that we saw in the
Is
beginning?
it really?
The T-Rex.
Oh, that's
So you can see
really
like
Yeah.
you might not see the bottom one, which is why we want to learn about all those animals that we can see.
Marcy, the dinosaurs from
We just do that like pretty.
But I like them now.
Thank you. Oh, Paulette and Mommy are in the ride. Me and you are just chilling out here because you're too small. That's how you feel? I know. I know. Say hi. Get on the ride and we're here. Mommy's calling.
Maybe there.
Paulette, why didn't you go to the dinosaur? At the end of the day, she didn't go to the dinosaur. We're going. Nobody saw dinosaur. Right, Priya? Right? What happened?
Brianna.
I want to go to Utopia.
You want to go see the people from Utopia? Who do you want to go see?
And in the bunny.
Okay.
You might not be able to see their numbers from far away, but why would our flamingos need to have numbers on them?
7335.
We talked about it. Oh, you don't see it, but why did they have the numbers? What did I tell you it was for?
Number 80.
I was like, your button is kind of a good example.
To identify.
Yep, so that we know who's who.
Remember, I told you your sister has a name, you have a name in it? Like that.
And it can be easy with people to tell everybody apart because we don't always look the exact same. With flamingos, it's very, very hard because everyone looks the same. So we have them wear kind of numbered feet on their name tags. Pretty cool. Yeah, so you guys can be on the lookout today for other ways that we help separate or identify our animals too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's okay, sir.
Otra vez se me olvidaron la de
So we are getting that botany, guys. So we're going to talk about plants. Because botany is just a fancy way of saying, oh, study plants. Super fun. So do you know any of the plants right here in my box?
Do you know any of the plants? We just talked about this one. What are those? Flowers.
Those flowers share their name with Minnie
Yeah.
Mouse's best friend.
Yeah, what's her name? We just saw her right here. Minnie's friend? You saw her right here? This one. Yeah, those are daisies.
Those are daisies, yeah. And then in the middle, I've got a cactus. So all of my plants here, they have superpowers. So do you know what the Venus flytrap can do?
We talked about it. Remember?
What do you do? When you touch them, what happens?
It does when you touch it, it goes.
And they're gonna eat a bug. Now, do you know how long it takes them to eat one bug?
How long do you think?
What do you think?
5 what?
What?
Minutes, hours? What do you think? 5
5
hours?
hours. It's gonna be about 7 days.
Oh my.
Good.
That's a pretty long time, right? 7 days. Yeah, and during that time, that bug is gonna become like a bug baby.
Wow.
So that bug is gonna be all liquidy, kind of like when you try to eat cotton candy and it dissolves. Just like that. And then what's even cooler is that the Venus flytrap has cousins all over the place. So there's other types of plants that eat bugs too. So my challenge for you and your girls is to try to figure out which one of the Venus flytrap's cousins lives in your state.
Wow.
Is that a good challenge?
That is a-
Yes. Alright, and with that, let's get you your botany bag with your plate. Thank you. A turtle, right? Does a turtle have hands? No, they don't have hands. What do they have? Flippers, right? You guys take your arm and go like this. Perfect. And now touch your shoulder. This is now your sea turtle flipper. I want you guys to take your flipper and try to scratch your back. Reach. Can anybody reach? No, right? And our sea turtle can't reach either. So he gets a lot of algae on his shell. Do you think he likes that? No, it makes him itchy. Do you guys like to be itchy? No, right? But our sea turtle has a friend that can help him. What animal is this? A fish. This fish loves to eat algae. So when he is swimming along in the ocean, he sees all the algae on the sea turtle's back. And what do you think he does? He eats it. He goes, no, and eats it all up. That is how our fish and our sea turtle are best friends. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So when you guys go home, I want you to go and learn about the best friends of your favorite animals. See if you can learn how they help each other out, okay? All right, great job, my friends. You guys have all earned your ecology badge on page 12. Good job. Bye, guys. Thank you. How's everyone okay?
Let's go find another one.
Wait,
Okay.
okay. So, let's go. We're going to go to Dino.
Hey guys, it was so good to see you again. Great for seeing me. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's so silly.
Yeah.
Where are you guys gonna go next?
Where are we going to go next?
You know? No, not sure.
We're trying to go to Africa.
Oh my goodness, that'll be so fun. I'll have to follow you there too. Okay?
Yeah. We just saw
With the churro. You gonna get your sister some?
Yum. Mastica. Mastica.
Well, we're talking about bugs, right? If there's a big flower lung in your web, you're like, well, fine, I'm gonna know what's in them.
You like butterflies?
Pretty good way of punching it.
That isn't it. Butterflies, they have a really important job.
You may not have house spiders near where you live.
Yeah.
You probably have some
What
pretty
do they
cool
do?
spiders. So that's going to be my challenge one for you.
That's
is
true.
to
They
learn
fly- what do
about
they
the kind
fly
of
around?
spider that lives near you. Maybe see what
When
its
they want to
important
land,
job
they
is.
land on.
There's one for you there. And then
That
got
one.
for
Maybe
you
you say
too.
what they want to eat.
Page 10.
What do they eat?
You're welcome.
Well, maybe. Telling you, let me get in there.
From flower to flower, they pick up what's called. Have you heard the word pollen? And when they go from flower to flower, they move all that pollen. It's kind of like this, but just like it stretches all over their body that grows the flowers, and it helps make more flowers grow. So butterflies, what's called pollinators, which means they help flowers grow. Oh, awesome! And it's another bug. Do you think there's another bug that does the same thing?
Oh, super cool. It's going to be on page 10.
Do you think of other bugs that like flowers?
Think of another bug? Yeah. What's the other bug?
About butterflies real
It's
quick.
yellow and black.
Do you guys know what kind of butterfly is here? It is a monarch butterfly. What makes monarchs
What
really cool?
bug
Okay.
buzzes?
It'll be right there to eat some of the nectar from a...
No.
I mean, let's get
Well,
into
technically.
that. It's not poisonous to other animals. What else?
Yellow and black. I think it was gonna be a
They
problem.
can be orange, right? That's kind of like a warning color. Some of those are yeah.
Maybe when you're home,
These guys, they migrate.
and see if
I
you
know what
watch
that migrate word
a bee
means.
or a butterfly do their job. Do that. Pollination.
What's that?
Wait a second.
But there's also what's called a super generation of monarchs, where they're all going to go
Thank
down
you.
from Mexico up to Canada.
Click it again. That's it. Leave it like that.
Thank you so much. You guys rock. Thank you. Thank you.
Go ahead, brother. Go. Watch out, man. Let me get to the side real quick. Sorry.
I don't know, but I think
Yeah, she's up.
Oh, look, Nick wants to wish you a happy birthday.
Right.
I know she's going more and more every year, and she installs the wrap.
Thank you.
Sorry, this thing at 5? Who knows?
Hey, Ballet, look at
Say
Nick.
happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh. Wow.
Bye-bye, look.
They are harnessing time.
Yeah, she just picked already. This pose, it's fine. I'm not natural.
One mission.
Give her a hug. Give her a hug. Yeah. She's talking to you. Talk to them. Say hi.
Jennifer Goodwin's husband is always in the show.
The other hand, Mom. The other hand. There you
There
go.
we go. Big smile.
Look right here.
Yeah. Awesome. And right to our phone as well. Big smiles.
Thank you. Say bye. Hug them. Say bye. Come on.
Let's get a particular magic.
Mom.
First name instead of Irwin, it's Furwin. You're all set.
Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you.
That's what I'm trying to be right now.
Hey.
Coming up on our get the name from the Afrikaans language. The name means wild beast, but you can also call them gnu. Spelled G-N-U, not N-E-W. They get that name from the mooing, grunting sound they make, which sounds like this, saying "ngong." And then these big tame antelope here are my favorite species on the reserve. That's because they're the biggest that lives here. These are elands. There's a big male next to us, and that's a female a little bit farther up. But big males like him, when they're fully grown, are about 6 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh about a ton. That is enormous for antelope species. Most are considerably smaller. Alright, that's our first look at a giraffe. Giraffes also have one of the highest blood pressures of any animal, which they need in order to pump a whole bunch of blood from their hearts up their long next to the top of their head against gravity. Now, I don't not how sure I mentioned briefly back when we saw the okapi. It's one of the traits that giraffes and okapis. It's a Hartman's mountain zebra. I wish we got a better look at it moving. I guess that's better than nothing.
You better do it.
Next to Mama. Let's get a closer look. A baby was born out here not all that long ago. I want to say like 8 or 9 months now. He was born already being 6 feet tall. By now he's got to be over 10 feet tall. So he's growing very rapidly.
Look at another one.
The male mandrills are going to be about 100 pounds, whereas these females at most are going to be maybe 30 pounds.
Look at the male right
Of
there.
any primate, these mandrills have the highest degree of sexual dimorphism or physical difference between the males and females. The tallest flamingo species. Coincidentally, they're also the palest pink of any flamingo species. They get this coloration from the feed they eat. There's an elephant way out there to the left. Way in the distance. That, if I'm not mistaken, is the largest elephant that lives in this reserve. We estimate that big guy to be just over 12,000 pounds. They're more of a sprinter rather than a marathon runner. Cheetahs only sustain their top speed for about 150, maybe 200 yards, and that's really pushing it before they have to slow down and rest.
I know.
And catch their prey. Oh, there's 3 more of them here.
See them, Jeff? The cheetahs? Laying down the grass?
The females like her, the lionesses that will initiate most of the hunts, while male lions usually are going to stay back home and protect the babies. Big yawn, check out those teeth.
That's a lion, Bubba.
I'm hoping to find you guys a male lion. It should be around here somewhere. Let's see. Who we saw back in the Ituri Forest, we can tell there's a female water buck because they don't have horns. Only the males will have. And they get the name water buck from their level water. They're never too far away from it. They can even secrete an oily substance from their coats that acts like a water repellent. So if of course, lay the biggest eggs of any bird. Those eggs are about 3 pounds apiece, containing about the equivalent trim. The goats run on grass, not gas. Number 2, they provide the warden with a very delicious, nutritious milk, which is able to be sold off at markets and provide additional income for the people of the reserve. Meaning we don't have to rely so much on
Nothing's happening, Bubba. They're not real, remember? It's a video. What are people? Animals over there. Back there, see it? The screen? Look, man.
Come with me. I'll sing your name. My